Hey, what's up guys, Winston here, and today we'll be taking a quick look at the Lexar ARES DDR5-5200 32GB kit. Lately, Lexar have been producing a lot of desktop memory. We already reviewed their DDR4 UDIMMs as well as their Hades RGB DDR4 memory kits. Both memory kits offered really good performance and great value for money. And now it's time to take a look at their latest memory product, the Lexar ARES DDR5-5200 32GB memory kit. These memory kits are XMP 3.0 ready and are designed to run at a speed of DDR5-5200 with a CAS latency of 3878, operating on a voltage of 1.25 volts. They come with some nice gunmetal heat spreader, but sadly no RGB. On closer inspection, we found that these memory modules uses memory ICs from Micron, which are known to work well with a lot of Z690 motherboards. So let's not waste any time, put these into our test rig, but before we do that, let's do a quick unboxing and we'll see you in a bit. Alright, let's do a quick unboxing of the Lexar ARES DDR5-5200 32GB kit. Let's see inside what's in the box. Okay, let's take a look. Alright, so we have the memory. Let's take this casing off. Let's take the memory out the casing. We have 1, 2. Alright, here we have the modules, and these uses the Micron memory ICs. They're known to work really well with the Z690 motherboards. Yeah, nice grey heat spreader right here. There's no RGB though, which is a shame. And 16 gigs modules, 32GB kit, there's 2. And they run at DDR5-5200 speeds at 1.25 volts. CAS latency is 38, and yeah, let's put these into our system. We'll be using an Intel Core i9-12900KF processor along with the Z690 motherboard and see how they perform. So let's put these in and way to go. Here you have it. That was a quick look at the Lexar ARES DDR5-5200 32GB kit. It offers good performance, they're XMP ready, and works well with most Z690 motherboards out there. Hope you enjoyed this video. Give us a like and leave a comment down below. Don't forget you can actually buy these via links in the description, and of course visit our website for more news, reviews and hot tips. Oh yeah, don't forget, hit the subscribe button for more. Until next time, this is Winston for Funkykit.com.